Hi traders, today is 17th of December 2018. We are now live. I think we should change to other contract, CLEG if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look. Due to the volume, so better to change to CLEG. Okay, February contract. So we are now live for February contract. Okay, looks so good. I think the market tonight will go for the bearish movement since the price tried to break through the pivot area but failed, and now I try to move to the south. There's a high potential for the market to go on the south movement. So we can see there's a quick low here, so it should be a breakout level, could be. So have to wait for another few more minutes. So I have to change a few contract. This one also CLG, CLEG for Globex market. So okay, now is another 4 minutes before US session begins, so there's a high potential for the bearish movement, but after all I will wait for the trading setup to appear, and this is gonna take a while. So I'll pause this video and we'll resume later on. Before we pause, so let's take a look on the volume. So is there any large volume on the bearish side? Yes, there is 51. It's not. This is the rounded number. This is not what we are searching for, but just wait for my trading setup signal, and we will go on the bearish movement if any signal appeared within this US session. So by the way, I already changed the contract from January to February, so there's a new contract today because of the volume have been traded most on February contract 2019. Okay guys, I'll pause this video for a while and we'll resume later on. Okay, at this moment there is a strong bearish movement, but not yet trigger any signal. So there is no signal at this moment that the market will go on the bearish movement. I will have to wait for another few more minutes, I guess, before the real signal appear, especially on the higher time frame to ensure that there is a good entry point. So have to wait maybe another within 20 minutes. We will have a good trading signal maybe. So let's wait. Okay traders, we resume back again. So at this moment I have just filled in my position for short sell. If you see here is purple triangle, this is where I shorting my positions. So this is my entry, and this is the nearest low, already break through the nearest low, and at this moment it looks like the market going to on the bearish movement, but still quite weak one, because the price did retrace back once penetrate the nearest low, so we have to wait patiently. So this moment I want it below my entry level, so it doesn't look any good. Already maximum reaching around 13 ticks, so 130 here, but I didn't close my position. So let's wait and see. Hopefully the market can go back to the downside and make a bearish movement. So from the volume we have seen that there's a high volume waiting at 50.75. Okay, this is 50.00. There's 161 waiting to buy. There's quite a high demand there, and also one more price level is 50.75, which is have 263 buying queue at this moment. So it's quite important to reach this level of 50.75. So I'm still targeting on the bearish price movement. So let's wait and see for another 1 hour. Hopefully the price can make a clear direction. So at this moment I'm shorting on the market with entry at 51.58. So this is my entry here. So have to wait patiently, and my stop limit will be somewhere here. So beyond this will be a failed structure on the bearish movement. Okay, I will pause this video and we'll continue later once there's a clear direction. Okay, it looks like the market try to make a pullback after the breakthrough of the nearest low, which is here. And now I'm still expecting for the market on the bearish movement, but now I try to move further up uh, towards the VWAP area, VWAP line, which is this yellow line. So I'm still optimistic that the market will have a clear direction on the downward movement. So as you can see here, okay, this doesn't looks good. It's quite strong pullback, but I have queued my stop limit order somewhere here at 80. So beyond this level, so I will consider it's not a good entry point. So let's wait. This is still a valid entry point for short sell positions. So I have to wait some more until the market make it clear that it tried to go down. Okay, I will pause this video. We'll resume later on. Hi traders, continue back again. So at this moment we're still waiting for the breakthrough in the bearish movement. So there is a nearest low during my entry, and then once I enter the market, there is creating another low here. So I'm still expecting for the market to have a better situation on the bearish movement with immediate stop is somewhere here above. Could fail the bearish movement in the short term or medium term. So at this moment I'm still waiting for the market to have a better situation. Okay, it looks quite strong on the seller side, so try to push the market down. So as you can see here, there's a low here. Once it break this level of 56, 51, 56, so should be trigger a better situation or position for the bearish movement. I'm still waiting, so we have around 1 ticks above my entry point. So that's mean at this moment minus 1 tick or minus $10 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, correct. It's minus $10. Okay, this is my entry position 51.58. So let's hope and pray that the market will go on the strong bearish movement. It's gonna take a while, I guess. Okay, doesn't look anything interesting. I will pause for a while and we'll resume back once there is a breakthrough on the market. Maybe hopefully somewhere. Okay guys, resume back again. So far looks good. So as you can see, this is my entry. This is the nearest low during my entry. Now it break but then falls back and now try to move further down. So hopefully the market can sustain on the bearish movement, but now try to reverse back because it's profit taking activity on the lower time frame, I guess. So it reached somewhere at 51 45, which is the lowest. So let's hope the market will have a strong bearish movement. I have reduced my risk to 73, so which means around 12 ticks from this position to this side. So the breakthrough will be somewhere here, but looks the market try to reverse back. It looks funny again. So let's hope the market will have a better situation for my position on the bearish movement. This is gonna take some time. I will pause and resume back later. So market still ranging. You can see there's a sideways movement. This is the bottom and this is a top area. So it still failed to break on the higher side above VWAP area and still maintain all below this yellow line, which is my VWAP area. So at this moment I'm still waiting for it to break through to have a confirm on the bearish movement. I'm still profit at this moment at 5 ticks, which is $50, $50 in profit. So my target is around 20 to 30 ticks, so it should be sufficient for tonight profit. That's the main target. So I will not wait long until it reach 50.75. So it's quite a huge profit possibility, but I need to confirm daily I have enough profit to carry on, because this is my trading setup is based on the day trade system and day trade signal. So let's wait. It looks good at this moment. 5 tick, 4 ticks below my entry. Need to have some patience until the price breakthrough on the strong bearish movement. It could be in a few seconds from now, because it's quite near to the nearest bottom. So let me enlarge the chart. Okay, now it's 53. So this is where I enter the market. If you can see this purple triangle, this is my entry. At first I thought the price break through here, then break out for the bearish movement, but still this moment I'm still waiting for it to go further down. Hopefully the price will not reverse. Okay, now we see green one, still early, but if the price go to this level, then better exit the market, because it's not a good trade, I guess. My stop level is somewhere here. If necessary to change the stop, I will change to around 20 ticks from my entry. My entry is 58, so 20 ticks around 78 with plus a few ticks, so I will exit around 80 as a stop limit order. Market still ranging, but still below a VWAP area, so there's more tendency for the market to go on the bearish movement. So almost 11 minutes on my recording of this video. We'll pause and try to shorten the length of this video, so you are not boring and not need to wait long on the action on the market. Okay, I will pause and resume back once there is a clear direction. Okay guys, market already break through, so it looks good at this moment. So I'm targeting around 51.30. So let's hope the price will reach there. As you can see that it already break through this level, and it will go fast downwards, as I expected that the market will go fast. So this one is too fast. Suddenly got trigger my if you can see here, my green triangle is my TP point, take profit area. I have exit at 51.31, so which is my profit is around 27 ticks. Yeah, 27 ticks, so it's quite healthy. Okay, something's wrong. Let's wait. Yes, exactly at 27 ticks. So total profit for tonight is $270. So with one lot, just profit around 27 ticks. So it's quite an easy one. No need to wait longer. So it's around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30 minutes or 35 minutes after I enter the market. Okay, so this is quite a good strategy for day trade, which you don't expect much, around 20 ticks or 30 ticks. So I did exit at 31 here, 27 ticks, due to the high demand on 51.30. So I tried to 1 ticks earlier, so it looks good. It just got filled, which is at 51.31. This is the profit area. So I think that's all for tonight. I will close. I will not find another trade, because my target daily have been reached. 150, 170 or 250 is good enough already for me. So let me flashback a bit. This is my entry, and this is my entry, and this is my take profit area. So this is 37 ticks within 35 minutes or 30 minutes, more or less. But if you are waiting for 10 ticks or 12 ticks, you can exit here. There's a two opportunity to exit the market at 12 ticks or 13 ticks. So I have exit at here. You can see this small triangle of green color. This is where I think reasonable for the market to go for short term, but for long term it will go much more bearish tonight, I guess, until 50.75 or yep, 50.75. Okay guys, I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is live trade for my day trade trading setup. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.